So what Andrea was doing was every time, see how she's bending her elbows?
Yeah.
So I'm showing you this because even though we're looking at the spine, the whole lecture built a case for arms and legs transmitting force into the spine, right? And so I'm just looking at the individual, and my attention went to her arms. And that's what this is about, is learning to look. Where does your curiosity go? And I was like, well, every time she tries to go into extension, she's going, oh, right? But that's not extension, that's elbow flexion. Right? Okay, so we did the upper back version. So tuck your toes under, put your pelvis back. Yeah. And then do thoracic, right? Cat-cow from here. And she started making faces and breathing because she's never felt the sensation before. And someone said, oh, it feels like compression. Yeah, because the muscles are putting tension on the connective tissue, and because it's a tensegrity system, what does that do? It compresses the bones. So sure, but is that bad or is that adaptive? Right? So some of you are going to be like, oh, that feels great. And some of you are going to be like, oh, I've never felt this before. But it's not bad. Especially when you come up from it, then what's the remaining effect? Is there a sense of, you want to talk about proprioception, is there a sense of awareness and aliveness in the back that there wasn't there before? I'm feeling that in my back from the demo I did 5 minutes ago. There's a larger representation of my back in my brain right now, and I like it. That's like, oh, that's my spine, that's my back, right? That's called interoception, right? There's this as an awareness of your body. That's also good for quieting nociception.